subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell notification icon here for more updates.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pure Insights and this is Deep. Um, Yesterday night, as you have seen my previous vlog, yesterday night we reached Austria and we are in a farmhouse, which is basically the Austrian traditional farmhouse with cows, with all animals, which I'm going to see today. It is the second day and we are in Austria. We are actually in MITTERSILL and it's a kids boil region. It's a kid boil region, which is basically the topmost place for skiing. Having vacation with me in Austria, second day. So let's begin.
Hi, so we start our journey, we start our day today, and it has been raining plus snowing, like kind of little flakes have been pouring all like since morning, and you can see somewhere on my jacket, but not exactly. Now, talking about the view, you see behind me, all the mountains, they are fully covered with snow, and we hiked from actually the down there, and we're going up to the forests. Behind me, you see the mountains, which are actually very high, but you cannot see them. So enjoy the view. Now, time to trek into this forest and see you guys at the top. So, we hiked from all through that dense forest. Actually, had no way, but we figured out our way, and you see snow is directly coming on my face. I'm so sorry about it. And that's the view. We are actually on the top, but still I can see some top over there. Like still it's like so. And I actually stepped into that snow and that was like till my knees. That was terrible. If you're fond of Bollywood movies, this is the kind of place where you see your actors and actresses making out in public. This is the place. Hi guys. This is what happens when you are struck in a snowstorm, and this is all snow. Shit. And the weather outside is damn, damn freezing. I'm telling you, it's damn freezing. It's a snowstorm, guys. You see outside. There is a small place where you can sit for a while when you are actually trekking to this whole area. So now this is the huge map behind me, and we are trekking to make me really clear. We are trekking towards Jogsberg, and that is Thun Pass. So the region is Thun Pass, and it's still I think 45 minutes from here. I'm going to take you outside, so just be ready for the storm. Oh shit! Oh, it's really, really cold. Otherwise, you have a sitting place outside here. here, and you see everything is dead right now. Everything is dead. I cannot see a single person out here, and it's time to go inside because I have left my hand gloves inside, and this is really freezing cold. Yes, I was going to show you quickly the cute snowman I saw here is this snowman I was talking about. He has a pine nose. Ah. He has a pine nose. This is freaking awesome. And had with something like this, but it's almost gone with the wind. Ah, I need to go inside. Ah, really bad. Really bad. But you know what? Because for first time lovers, the first thing you there is a special way to walk in the snow. So I would really recommend for people who don't know it should learn it on the YouTube, like with the special kind of shoes. Why am I saying this? Because that is a mandatory thing. And what I did is a stupid mistake because I'm wearing these shoes right here, my normal sport shoes, because we plan to rent the sports equipment, like the proper Schnee sports equipment, for tomorrow for 2 days, like 2 days. But unfortunately for today, I did not plan it because it was told in me it was a rainy day, and here there's fucking no rain. It's just snowing, and that's windy snow. So, and the roads, like I am 5'2", and it comes almost to my knees. The snow is so much. So, of course, you will get wet. I suddenly I stepped into a deep hole, and it was snow, of course, and a lump of snow went inside my shoe, and I was screaming because it was freezing cold. And let's go and make you more colder. Nose dripping cold. I have never seen something like this throughout my life till this age, and I am so glad that I landed up to this place. And the weather is, I mean, for some people, this may not be the best weather, but I have never seen such kind of weather. So for me, this kind of weather is really helping me a lot. I'm really, really happy. You see what this talking about? You see this is all fresh snow, like it has been snowing for almost 2 hours, I guess, and this is a situation. I guess we're the first person who has come here, and I see nobody around. Just I met in a 4 kilometer trek only a couple who were there, and that's it. And it's all over like this. So I just want to share my happiness with you guys so that you can also sometime figure out to go for a vacation like this and just love yourself. So I got to go now because I cannot hold the camera and walk like this for a long because it's also not so the roads are not so stable, you see. So I want to sit for a while on that place and really have an amazing
So the last time you saw us, we were on Thornpass, and it was like really the weather was not that good that I could actually like share everything. But I'm trying to do as much as I could, and now we are back home because our gloves were like really like we played really bad, and our gloves were wet. Shoes were not really supporting, and you can see somebody in my video, and this is the pet of the owner here, and they're really lovely. The other one is black in color and this is brown in color, which is really, I think this is dominant because she hopefully we'll see you in that as well. Bye.